love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase 好久不见 Long time no see.
好久没看到。
好久没看到 OK， 这国外英文啊，听说也是从中文直翻过去，后来变成是 Long time no see 好久不见啊，所以大家都懂啊。因为疫情的关系，很多可能在国外的朋友啊，
都没办法见面，
没办法见面。对，那我们来听一个这样的对话好了。
OK，
let's listen to a conversation of friends that are stuck abroad that you haven't seen in a long time.
因為疫情，你好久沒看到你。
係呀，呀哈彈槍做的大天花大嘴鼓。
等出國轉來，你將鄉下出去了。
OK， 我們一段一段來教。
好，
因為疫情，我們好久不見了。Because of the pandemic, we haven't seen each other in a long time.
因為疫情，
因為疫情，
你好久沒看到咧。
你好久沒看到咧。剛好疫情來教一下這個怎麼說？疫情就是疫情。OK，that's a pandemic. 對方回答：對啊，現在只能打電話聊天。That's right, we can only use our phone to touch bases.
係呀，
係呀，
呀哈彈槍做的，
呀哈彈槍做的
大天花，
大天花。
大嘴鼓，
大嘴鼓，大天发 That means using a telephone to call someone, and then 大嘴鼓 That means to chit chat, to talk, basically. All right. The third line is 等你回国，我们一起出去玩。Wait till you come back from abroad, and we'll go out and have fun together.
等出國轉來，
等出國轉來，
你將鄉下出去了。
你將鄉下出去了。我們教好幾次，出國就是出國嘛，然後一起出去玩，一起
鄉下
出
去了，
出去了就是出去玩了。All right, let's review some of these phrases and a term that we use oftentimes these days because of the epidemic. 疫情，and then there's to make a phone call, 打電話，大天发 and then two things, 一個是出國，一個是回國。順便來教一下。
好，
出國叫做出國 that means to go abroad, but to return from abroad, 回國就變成
出國轉來。
出國轉來。All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
因為疫情，你好久沒看到你。
係呀，呀哈彈槍做的大天花大嘴鼓。
等出國轉來，你將鄉下出去了。
And this whole month, the phrase we're teaching you is 好久不見。
好久沒看到。
好久沒看到。Again, that means long time no see. And there you have it, another round of Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.